ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 58, ஸ்லோகா 2. அனதிகத நிதாக க்ரௌர்யவ்ருந்தாவனாந்தாத் பஹிரிதமுபயாதாः கானனம் தேனவஸ்தாः तव विरहविषण्णा ऊष्मलग्रीष्मताप प्रसरविसरत् अम्भस्य आकुलाः स्तम्भमापुः. Word by word meaning. Anadhigata nidagha kraurya vrindavanantat. Anadhigatam, not felt. Nidagha, summer heat. Krauryam, the cruel intensity of Vrindavana, where the cruel intensity of the heat of summer is not felt. Bahihi, outside. Idam kananam, this forest. Aishikam, upayataha, who had reached. Taha, Denavaha, those cows. Tava Viraha Vishannaha, grieved at the separation from thee. Ushmala Grishma Tapa Prasara Visarat Ambhasya Akulaha. Ushmala, intensely hot. Grishma Tapaha, heat of summer. Tasya Prasaraha, its advancing, increasing. Visarat, spreading. Ambhasyaya, by the thirst. Akulaha, overcome. Overcome by the thirst caused by the intensity of the heat of summer, which was increasing as the day advanced. Stambham apuhu, became totally exhausted. Full meaning. Those cows which had reached this forest, which was outside Vrindavana, where the cruel intensity of the heat of summer is not felt, were sad at their separation from thee, and being overcome by the intense thirst caused by the increasing heat of summer, became totally exhausted. Note: separation from the Lord, forgetting the Lord, causes sorrow. Om Tat Sat.